Hello everyone, welcome to the new tutorial of Habanero Bears Express tutorials. I'm gonna show you this time how to upload or save or make highlights of your games on Twitch. So Twitch took off completely their option to go ahead and upload any videos onto your Twitch account. So you cannot upload to Twitch. What you could do after you go ahead and stream is you could go ahead and right here on top right hand corner, you go on video producer, and over here you have all your videos. You go over here under your videos, right over here, and then you have every video that you have so far streamed. You have it all over here. Okay, now the only way to go ahead and save these is to make a highlight right here on the right side. You press highlight, you make a highlight of video, whatever you want it to be, whatever you want to highlight out of the video. Make your video shorter or longer through here, and then when you're done, you go ahead and you press publish. So this is the only way that you could go ahead and upload a video, so to say, or save your stream. So there is again no way that you could upload a video unless you've streamed it on Twitch previously, and you could only go ahead and make highlights out of them. If you guys found this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing so I could grow this channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to jump into my stream. I'm going to leave the information down below. Feel free to come in there, ask me any question you have. And if you have any feedbacks, I would really appreciate it if you guys leave a comment down below. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time.